Hey, good morning, YouTube. How are you doing today? I know it has been a hot minute since I have actually been on, and so I probably look a mess this morning since it's early Sunday morning, but I wanted to go ahead and jump on here and show you guys how I do actually make one of these covers and get this one uploaded to KDP, which I recently discovered how to do all that good stuff. So hopefully I can go through it today and show you guys how without sounding too much like a, kind of blabbering, I won't say idiot, but, yeah. Okay, so I am in Canva, but I've already gone a little bit too far. Let's go back to the home page of Canva. And before I jump into Canva, I'm going to go to bookow.com. bookow.com. And so on this one here, what you want to do is you want to click on the KDP cover template generator. And I actually did one yesterday for the 8.5 by 11 cover, since I'm going to be uploading one of the planners that I've made. And I will actually say that it's going to be paperback and 8.5 by 11. And page count on this one here, I've got, let's see here, this one here with Canva. Hold on one second. I need to go in and count real quick because I know it's 30 plus. I think it's 33, but we'll see here really quick. This is my Crush Your Goals planner. It's a total of 34 pages. So 34 pages, optional ISBN. I'm going to let KDP actually assign that for me. And email address, we'll go ahead and enter email address, and then consent to email cover template, maybe next time, don't want to pay them today. Let's make some money off of this first, and we shall see about paying them at that point. Alright, so then you have to go and check your email, so I'll close out of that real quick. Sorry guys, that is actually on my website. And on, which is why I've been so busy and not on here, because I've been creating all this fun stuff. 90% of this is mine. We'll just go ahead and give that caveat there. And actually I don't want that one, but I already had one template there. We're going to go over here to create a design. And we're going to say custom size. And the size for your template, which you'll find in your email, is that. Going to load that, so go check your email. I've got a lot of emails that you may not necessarily want to see unless you like to be nosy. Just kidding. You're going to see an email from Steve. Steve has sent this email to me. Yes, I know I've got a ton of emails I need to go ahead and get, but hey, the email, this video is not about me organizing. This is what Steve has sent me, and I'm going to click right here on your PNG copy. You gotta download your PNG copy. So if it's something that you know what it is, I just leave it that title. Okay, and then I'm going to come back down here to Canva. Actually, I've got Canva open up here. We're going to upload the template. I should actually make my screen a little bit bigger. Hold on. I'll just move it over here. Don't think it's going to let me readjust the size while I'm chatting with y'all. Okay, I uploaded one from yesterday. We're going to set this image as the background. I'll move y'all back over here. And so you see it says, it gives you these templates here. So that's why you make this background that template, so it's going to look fine once you go to KDP. Hopefully I'm not going to flub this up too much with y'all. And so with the KDP, I have already made a cover. My spring cover there. You want it to go in the outline. so that it looks accurate or looks good when you guys do it. Try not to cut that butterfly or ladybug off too much, not butterfly. Don't even know why I said that, but that's not going to be possible today. Sorry, ladybug. One of my other journals, I actually made sure I wasn't cutting off the unicorn heads. Didn't want anybody coming back to me going, she cut off his head. Well, you never know. People do stuff like that. I can get the craziest comments, yada yada. So what I'm doing here is I just grabbed a square from the lines and the shapes elements in Canva, because I am going to make one the size of the barcode down here. You don't have to make one like this, but I find it helpful, because once you go to upload it, you'll see. Okay, and then also too, we're going to grab this, because I want it. You're going to have to type up a little bio, and you're also going to need a picture of yourself ready, so don't make sure you have that ready as well as what you actually want to upload to KDP. Alright, it's very important that you leave the spine, this is the spine of the book, open there, so when you get ready to upload it to KDP, you can have the title either right here up front or right there. I like to do mine up front, so you're going to, or in the front. Even though that's a pretty font, people say it's hard to read. I guess it kind of is hard to read. So we're going to go, this is my Crush Your Goals planner. Actually, it's more or less journal planner. Crush Your Goals Spring Journal. Alright, and I'm going to change the font to something legible, even though that's very pretty. We're going to go Spring Journal. I want the whole thing. And we're going to go Glacial Indifference there. Some things never change. My allergies are still crap in Georgia. Sorry, guys. I know some of y'all might leave at that point, so don't know why. We're all human. People expect me not to be human. I don't know. You're sadly mistaken. So anyway, I titled that. I probably considered that a lot better. Alrighty then, we'll leave it right there. We'll download the PNG again. Download it, name it something that you can actually remember. I'm going to kill off that first download. I'm going to name this one here Crush Your Goals Cover for KDP. That way I know what it's called. Alright, and so from here we are going to go to KDP. Alright, kdp.amazon.com is where you want to go. Okay, let me straighten this up just a pinch. Alrighty, so we have this. We're going to click sign in, and then that's what I was trying to work on yesterday. It's in review. I'll probably have to adjust the price there. I kept playing around with the Valentine cover on this one here, so that's my alias for KDP, and we're going to say new paperback. English book title, Crush Your Goals Spring Journal. Don't want to confuse too many people on Amazon. Edition number, we don't need an edition number. I am the author, Diana Patterson.